Hi friends, welcome back to Splendor Smedi. Have you ever been caught off guard by those annoying hiccups that just don't go away? Well, today I will show you an incredible, simple and effective trick to stop hiccups instantly using something you already have at home: sugar. Let's dive in. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. So, what exactly are hiccups? Scientifically, they are called synchronous diaphragmatic flutter, or the SDF. A hiccup happens when your diaphragm, the muscles that help you breathe, contract suddenly and involuntarily. These spasms make your vocal cord close quickly, producing that characteristic hic sound. Now, here is how sugar saves the day. Swallowing just 1 to 2 teaspoons of dry sugar can calm those spasms. The grainy texture of sugar stimulates the irritated nerve responsible for the spasms, helping to stabilize it. Here is what to do. Take a teaspoon of sugar, no water, just dry sugar. Place it on your tongue and swallow it slowly. That's it. Your hiccups should stop almost instantly. Don't have sugar? No problem. You can use any grainy substance like salt, but sugar is easier to swallow and tastes better too. So next time hiccup strikes, you know what to do. Simple, right? If you find these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick health tips. See you next time.